This program is an automatic program. Click the door lock to close it. Click the door to open it. See it. Then here is start and stop. Is it right? This is pause. This device has a pause function, but it cannot be stopped when drying. If it is stopped when drying, the compressor cannot stand this compressor. It cannot start frequently every time. It takes 5 minutes to start each time. For example, I turned it off and couldn't start again after turning it off. It's too high, and then you need to wait 5 minutes to let the compressor temperature drop and then start it up. This is the status time. The status time is, for example, the time I was on the drying. The time I was on the drying is on the drying. The time I was on the drying is on the drying. Now I have 3 minutes to dry. Here is the value of the karma position. We set the karma position to 28. There is no karma position in it now because it has been removed. Right? The red one is the parameter we set. Then, the white word is the current parameter. Now there is no drying temperature now. Have you seen this? This is drying air inlet. We set it to be 685 degrees. Now the temperature is actually 66465. The air inlet temperature is 3. The drying air inlet will rise to 85 degrees. Can't get up, we can control it. The air inlet is the most, and the air outlet temperature is here. The air outlet temperature is set to 65 degrees. Wait until 65 degrees. Just keep your demeanor. This temperature difference is 2 degrees above and below. Here is the condensation temperature. The maximum condensation temperature does not exceed 45. This condensation temperature is cooling water. Our cooling water. If the water temperature is too high, the water temperature will affect the drying effect of the machine in the future. This water tank can be dried 3 machines in a row like this season. Because the water temperature is low now, the temperature is low, the water temperature is low, that is 1 ton. Can dry 3 machines in a row. If it is about 1 pound in summer, it will not work. The water tank is small. Yes, don't let it go. I'll give him a pipe and connect it to a random piece. Yes, then here is the distillation temperature of this below. Because there is no distillation yet, there is no temperature here. The temperature is only octave. The octave is our room temperature. Our setting is 120 degrees. Now the room temperature is octave. This is his display. The red on the right is what we set. The white on the left is him. The temperature displayed here is used to use the program 1, 2, and 3, and 4, so why can't we use it? Third, it is not available. There is also a program 5. What is the program 5 for? Program 5 is used to clean filters. I just said that our hobby email is a filtering program, right? Then when he filters all the dust and fluff into it. This is the filter number 2. These 2 are centrifugal filters. They filter dust and fluff. This is a toner filter. Powder filters the pigment. This is when the oil is not clean. Open the screws, replace the filter element inside, just replace the filter element. This one doesn't need to be opened, but after a long time, he has dust and fluff inside. He needs to go and make it into 1.5. When you go to the automatic storage and access 5, there is a motor here. Rotate and drive the discs here. All the dust is seen from here. This play opens and then comes in. It's like he will add more to it again. This is our automatic program 5. Mainly, he opened it himself and then re-examined the system.